The subantarctic Falkland Islands offer unparalleled opportunities for immersive wildlife photography and breathtaking, unspoiled natural beauty. This land-based tour will take you into the heart of the action from dawn to dusk, allowing you to capture remarkable encounters with penguins and other wildlife. King penguins are one of the most iconic species of birds and one of 5 penguin species you will photograph during this tour. Watching them gracefully waddle along beautiful beaches is an experience you will cherish forever. Every morning, many hundreds of penguins travel from their colonies to the ocean for the daily hunt. Witness the drama-filled life of the Magellanic Penguins, who make themselves heard loudly, and who duel each other over love interests and nesting burrows. Get a front row to penguin family life in large, easy-to-access Gentoo penguin colonies. There is always something going on that is worth capturing on camera. Rockhopper penguins are the rock stars of the Falkland Islands. They may look small and puffy, but they are some of the toughest, bravest of all birds. Every day, returning from sea to feed their chicks, rockhoppers battle the swells and crashing waves of the subantarctic ocean. Observing this epic struggle has the power to change your perception of life's hardship forever. I invite you to read more about this trip and hope you will join me on this extraordinary adventure.